This torment, this tangle, it bleeds through my chest. I walk through the echoes, no peace, no rest. You left with the dawn, no goodbye, no refrain, just the hum of your name, the cold of the rain. The gardens still bloom, their fragrance decays. We dance till the edge. Stay. I still feel you there. The dark hours come fast with the daylight denies. Your voice threads through silence, the wound that survives. I try to forget, but you're burned in my mind, carved in the chaos, the ghosts I can't find. No, I can't let go. I can't let go. Whispers in the quiet, the shadow draws near. Why chase the horizon when you're already here? Your touch was the fire, the burn I adored. Now I'm trapped in the embers, still begging for more. You still burn, you still burn. Oh, you still burn, you still burn. You built up the distance, I built up the walls, both calling for mercy, no one recalls. Each promise we whispered now cracks in my chest. You're gone, but your silence won't let me rest. Every star that I chase turns to ash in my hand. Every heartbeat reminds me you won't understand. Why'd you run? Why'd you run? I still burn, I still burn. I'm chained to the distance, your name in the rain. Each echo a prayer that just deepens the pain. Your venom and velvet, the sin I still crave. Come tear through the silence, I'm too far to save. You came like a storm, then you slipped from the fight. Now I'm lost in the thunder, alone in the night. Stay, stay. Oh, don't fade. Whispers in the quiet, your shadow won't fade. Why give me this fracture, this ache you made? A spark of resentment beneath my skin, a whisper of sorrow for the wreck we're in. Oh, you still hurt, you still hurt. You still hurt, you still hurt. The nights never end, they just circle your name. Each breath is a ghost that's calling in shame. The silence keeps humming, the truth I can't face. You're gone, but you never left this place. You still burn. I still yearn. Oh, you still hurt. Oh, I still learn. burn. You still burn.